Is your window computer getting slow? Here is a hidden shortcut that helps you clean temporary files in less than 1 minute. Windows has built-in tool called Run, and it lets you quickly open folder and system tools by just using simple command, just one command. So let me show you how you can open these temporary files so that you can delete it and clean your storage. Just open the temporary file, you press Window All, then you will get this window interface here. Then you write % like this one, then temp, you see, then also %. Then after you click enter, you will see the temporary files, you see. So what we need to do is just to select all of these temporary files and then delete them to enhance our computer performance and clean our storage. So without spending more time, we click Ctrl A to select all of these files, do you see? Then we click delete here by using this icon, or just click delete key on your keyboard, do you see? Then see how we are cleaning our storage. Now we have 5 gigabytes that was occupied by these temporary files. Do you see? Around 10,815 files. Do you see? So this is the important tool for you to clean your computer. Once you get this error, the action cannot be completed. The file is open in Microsoft Edge, to mean that some files are in use. So here we click skip. Yes, now we already finished to delete unnecessary temporary files. Those are files which are in running state, right? So once you can come here on our storage, we may see that our storage has now increased. Yes, this tool is very important for storage cleanup, for just removing unnecessary temporary files, and for keep Windows organized and working smoothly. So thank you so much. This is the end of our today's lesson. Please, if this video helped you, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues. And if you have any question or idea, please let us know in the comment section. And if you have any question for some technique here, you may ask us so that you can make video teaches you how you can do that, or you can handle that issue. So see you in the next lesson.